What's up guys? Kylie Myers here, and we're doing another I Try video. And for this video I am going to try to drive a manual stick shift. I'm going to be driving this 2013 Ford Mustang. It is not mine, it belongs to my friend and cameraman Thomas, and he is kind enough to let me learn on his baby. So we'll see how this goes. I've watched a YouTube video explaining how it's done, and I'll link that below, and let's see if I can do this. Okay, so we've got 3 pedals. Okay, so if I remember correctly, I'm going to have my foot on the clutch, my foot on the brake. I'm gonna start it up. Okay. So that's okay. I forgot. I need to put it in neutral.
It's already in neutral.
Okay. So I definitely didn't have the clutch all the way. Okay. So that, then the brake.
You don't have to right now have the brake because I have the emergency
Right.
brake on.
And so now I should be able to start?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I'm gonna brake. And I'm gonna release this guy. Okay. So, I'm gonna release the brake and hit gas. No? That's a no?
Oh, well, if you were to release the brake and hit the gas, we would go nowhere, and that is why.
Okay. Well, don't I have to like get the RPMs up before I put it
You have
in
to put
first?
nope. You have to put it in gear first.
Okay, so
All right.
I think we're in first. So now I can release the old brake. Does that mean we're in reverse?
Huh?
Does that mean
No, that was you because we're in neutral. That's us just rolling.
So I should now hit the gas. Well, I forgot some of the video. Okay. So, and then I can release this. Okay, so that put us into reverse.
Okay.
So that was definitely reverse.
Clutch in.
Yeah. So now, it feels wrong to be pressing the gas while the emergency brake's on, and then just let it go. You gotta say something. You look very concerned. Okay, okay. So now, this is not a fun thing to do. This is not fun at all. I don't know why anyone. So now, what do I do now?
You're gonna try and shift into second.
But I feel like you can't go slower. Like if you start to go slow, you're gonna start to die.
Oh yeah, you need to speed up.
I'm going to. Okay. Okay. I don't like this at all. Okay. So now.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All
I
right.
hate this. So, but I feel like I need to shift again. Like it's making me. It's like.
Right now you're fine.
I guess it's just a really loud car.
Yes.
So it sounds like it's revving up even though it's not necessarily. Okay. And so yeah, this is okay, but I would never choose this as like I want to drive a manual car like for the fun of it, because it just seems like a lot of work for the exact same thing. And I can't imagine trying to stop at a red light. Okay, so now I'm going to. Okay. Yeah, so I could do it to save my life, but I can't do it for fun.
E-brake. Good.
Okay, so I kind of did. So now I can let everything go.
Yeah.
And Okay, so we did it.
Bam.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we did it. I did it. I can't believe it. Yeah, I don't have a desire to do this for fun, but I at least am glad I could confidently do it again if I needed to. But yeah, I don't know why anyone chooses to buy a car that's manual when you could just have it automatic. So I can confidently say that yes, you can learn to drive a manual transmission from watching YouTube videos. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and check out the merch store. Check me out on all the other platforms that I'm on. The links will be below. Bye guys.